Hello everyone, welcome back to Asia's Life Hacks. For me, the fridge is the most interesting part of any household. This is where we store all the fresh and awesome ingredients that we need for our cooking, and we also keep the yummy, tasty and healthy meals that we cook in our kitchen every day. So for today's video, I'm going to share my fridge tour with you guys along with a few tips and tricks that I follow to keep my fridge organized and clean all the time. I hope you will find this video helpful. So keep on watching. So this is how the fridge looks like. It is a double door LG fridge with a beautiful floral design on top which I really love. And on the freezer door I have this meal planner because it helps me to decide what I want to bring out of the fridge or what I want to keep inside. And now let's take a look inside the fridge. As you can see, on each of the shelves I have placed the shelf liners. So I bought a big roll of it from Amazon. I will leave a link to this product in the description box down below. One side of this liner is sticky and that adheres to the shelves. So I cut it according to the size of the shelf, and this ensures that the fridge stays clean even when there is some kind of spilling. As the top shelf is the coldest part of the fridge, I store all the dairy ingredients over there. So I have my paneer and also the cut pieces of cheese and butter. So I cut the butter and cheese into small pieces because this saves a lot of time when I am in a rush, and also I can bring out as little as I need without melting or wasting the whole thing. This is something that I would definitely recommend for you guys too. Then I have some milk packets for setting curd, and I have my earthen pot for setting curd. This is how I have started doing it, and it gives me fresh curd every day. Now in the next shelf I have the boxes of fruit and salad ingredients. So I store all my fruits in this transparent basket. It's airtight and it keeps the fruits fresh for a longer period of time. Same with these salad ingredients. I keep some bell pepper, some tomato and some cucumber. So keeping these in the transparent boxes ensures that I see them and remember to have them every day. Next, I have some chopped parsley and these egg boxes. So for leafy greens like coriander, parsley, I never really understood how I can store them because I don't need a lot in one go and I don't like to make a paste in one go. So recently I have started doing this. I chop them up and then store them in a small airtight jar. It stays fresh for long, at least for 1 or 2 weeks, and I can bring out as little as I need every time and make a fresh paste. This literally saves a lot of time too when I am cooking in a hurry. And because I buy 10 to 15 eggs in a go, these boxes are really handy. So in the next shelf I have the bread and related condiments. In the first tray I keep the bread like this. These trays are very useful as I can pull it out and bring everything out together. Now in the next tray I have this bread spread from Coco Soul and a Bengal mustard, which is awesome for bread and also for cooking. And lastly this very yummy mayonnaise from Hellman. And next to that I keep whatever breakfast preparation I have done, and most of the time it's eggs. I always have some boiled eggs in my fridge. Egg is an amazing source of protein and is great for your breakfast, and boiled eggs are so versatile, you can cook a lot of different things with it. So I always make sure I have some of it in my fridge. Now in the next shelf I keep the leftovers and whatever meal preps that I have. Storing that in the clear containers helps me to see what I have in the fridge and plan the next meals. So on this day, along with the leftovers, I had some chunks of batter fried fish which I used to make chili fish the next day. Small meal preps like this make the cooking process very enjoyable and not tiring at all. And in the last shelf, I keep some ready to eat fruit cut like this in transparent boxes to satisfy my sudden hunger pangs. Now the crisper can be used both as a fruit box or a vegetable box, and the airflow can be controlled accordingly. As I store only vegetables in the crisper, I keep it in the vegetable box mode all the time. Now let me show you how I store all the fresh vegetables in my fridge. So inside the crisper, I have these two small boxes where I keep the vegetables that I am going to use on that very day. These boxes came inside the fruit box and I have used them inside the crisper. Now for all the other vegetables, I use these reusable Ziploc bags. They're super useful because they help me to keep all the vegetables separated, and the Ziploc feature ensures that they stay fresher for a longer period of time. So I buy vegetables twice every week, and this is how I keep them organized in my crisper all the time. Now coming to the shelves, in 3 airtight containers, I keep ginger, garlic, turmeric peeled and cut into small pieces. This saves a lot of time and effort during the time of cooking. And in the next part, I have kept the lemons in the egg shelves like this. Now coming to the next shelf, I have all the bottles of water, milk and sauces and condiments that I don't use in a regular basis. So I have some tomato sauce, some apple cider vinegar, some plain vinegar, some mayonnaise, sesame seed, soy sauce and all the stuffs like that. Make sure that you are wiping these bottles after every use and before keeping them in the shelves, as it ensures that the shelves won't get dirty. In the bottom shelf, I have some flaxseed, some Tabasco sauce and some mint chutney. Now coming to the freezer section, this is where I store the frozen corn and peas and also the non-veg items like fish and chicken. And I also ensure that I have some ice in my freeze all the time because I often use them to make cold coffee and smoothies. Now in the freezer door, I keep some dry fruits and homemade spices. So I have some cranberry over there and some homemade cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala. I make them fresh at home and store them in the freezer because I don't use them every day and I want them to stay fresh for long. I also have some white pepper which I have bought recently and some corn flour. And in the second shelf of the freezer, I have some extra dry fruits. So there's some almond and cashew and also 1 packet of raisin. And next to that, I have a packet of sausage. So yeah, that's the entire tour of my fridge. I hope you have enjoyed it and found it helpful. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think of this video. I will be back with a new video super soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.